Hello guys, and welcome once again to the sewing workshop. This video you're going to see right now is not about how to cut and sew. It's about how to make money. I recently uploaded a video on my channel on how I make boxers and how I sell them to make money. But in this video, I make over 700,000 naira in just 2 months, and I make a video about how I did it. It's a step-by-step video. I'll put a link in the description to my second channel. Kindly watch the video. Apply that same principle to your clothes, your tailoring idea, how to sell them online, how to do anything. In this video that I make, I even share the product that I sold that make me that amount of money in less than 2 months. And I believe this video is going to help you. I'll put a link in the description below. Kindly go to my second channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure you like the video. I promise you're not going to regret that. I promise. Because the video is actually, and I share most of my screenshots, my details of how I made it, how I came up with the idea to start selling, and everything I did on the video is 100% free. I did not buy anything. The only thing you need is your phone, and if you have a computer, that's an added advantage. Your phone and internet. It's as simple as A, B, and C. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe to my new channel. I'm just starting to grow it and also help you people as well on how to make money online, offline with your fashion. I'm a fashion designer full time. So I believe the video is definitely going to help you guys. So just subscribe and we'll see you guys. Make sure you watch the video and I'll see you guys for my next upload.